Good morning, students. Going to start chapter 3, fiber to fabric. We wear different types of clothes from season to season. These clothes are made up of different types of fibers. Just a certain type of fibers can be used to make particular types of clothes, and we can wear these clothes for particular season or in particular seasons. These clothes are different from each other. Some of the clothes are smooth and some are rough when we used to touch these clothes. Some of the clothes dries quickly, but some will take time. So in this way, we know that different types of cloth materials we are using in our routine life, and these cloth materials are made up of different types of fibers. These fibers we get from plants, animals, and these are made in factories also. On the basis from where do we get these fibers, it can be divided into two types: natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Again, natural can be divided into two types: animal fiber, that are wool and silk. Wool we get from the fleece of sheep, goat, and some other animals. Silk we get from silkworm. Then plant fibers, many types of plant fibers we are using: mane, cotton, jute, coir. Cotton we get from cotton plant, jute from jute plant, coir that we get from coconut, means the outer fibers of coconut fruit. Then some more plant fibers we are using that are like linen, hemp, etc. After that, nowadays we are using many fibers that are made in factories with the help of chemicals. These are called synthetic fibers. For example, nylon, polyester, rayon, etc. So, like you can see in the picture, different types of plant fibers we are using. Some I had already mentioned. Banana tree also has fiber on its leaf that can be used in different way. Cotton was using from so long. In India, it is cultivated in a particular region like northern, central and western parts like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh. How is it cultivated? First, warm climate is needed for the growth of cotton plants. Growth will be better in black clay soil. Season of sowing, that is early spring. Height of the plant will be 1 to 2 meter. After sowing, plants they start flowering in about 60 days, and in the beginning the color of the flower will be whitish or yellowish, but later on it turn into red color. After that, flowers, it will convert into fruit that is the shape of like walnut size, and these are called cotton balls. Inside cotton balls, seeds are present, and over the seeds cotton fibers are grown. The color of cotton ball, it will be green in the beginning and later on convert into brown. When it will get mature, it will burst and will open, and we can see white cotton fibers. These fibers are dried in sunlight and later on it will become fluffy, and these are picked by hands. Means machines are not used for this process. After collecting cotton fiber, how it is processed? When cotton balls are collecting, still seeds are inside, so it's necessary to remove the seeds. These seeds are removed with hands, or it can be removed with the help of steel combs that is used by a machine. This process is called ginning. Means the process of removing cotton seeds from cotton pod or cotton ball is called ginning. Later on, the ginned cotton is compressed with hydraulic press into bales, and weight of each bale is around 200 kg. Actually, the volume is cotton, it's too much according to its weight. That's why it's not easy to transport it. That's why गिंड कॉटन इज कंप्रेस्ड, उसको प्रेस कर देते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ हाइड्रोलिक प्रेस, सो इट विल टेक लेस वॉल्यूम and it will convert it into bales, and weight of each bale is around 200 kg, and later on it will be transported to different place with the help of different modes of transport.